Very good morning, children. Yesterday we finished our section 1 reading. Today we are going to read about section 2. Take out your textbook, page number 26 and start reading. Section 2. The sly innkeeper had watched all this through the keyhole. So this boy spread the cloth and he ordered whatever he wanted, and all these from this keyhole the innkeeper was observing. Late at night he quietly stole the tablecloth while the boy slept soundly. So in the late night while the boy slept, the innkeeper watching all these things and he want that tablecloth, so he stole that tablecloth. Slept soundly. What is the meaning of slept soundly? Slept deeply. Slept deeply. Slept soundly is slept deeply. So the boy slept very deeply and the innkeeper stole the tablecloth. The next morning the boy was hungry again, but there was no tablecloth and so no breakfast. So this innkeeper stolen that tablecloth. So the boy in the next morning he woke up and he was hungry. He was searching for the tablecloth. The boy went right back to the north wind and complained. So immediately the boy, he didn't found the tablecloth, and so he was very hungry and there was no breakfast for that boy. So he immediately went to the north wind and complained, "You are a cheat, north wind. You have taken back our tablecloth." And this boy is complaining that you are a cheat, north wind, you are a cheat. You took my tablecloth again. "No," said the north wind, "that is not the way I work, but I will give you a ram this time." So because the north wind didn't stole the tablecloth and he is saying, "I am not that. I don't do such type of things. Okay, I will give you this time a ram." Ram means a male sheep. Ram means male sheep. So he said, "Each time you rub his wool, he will drop a piece of gold from his mouth. Look after him well." So this time the north wind gave a ram, that means a male sheep, to the boy, and he is saying that each time you rub his wool, sheep, because it is a sheep, so north wind told the boy that rub this wool, then he will drop a piece of gold coin from his mouth. The boy ran back and found the ram at the door of the stable. So he went back and he found the ram. The boy ran back and found the ram at the door of the stable. So after the north wind gave a ram to the boy and he ran to the stable, near the door he found the ram. He caught the ram by the rope around its neck and led it slowly up the stairs of the inn to his room. So he caught the ram at the door of the stable behind the inn. So what happened? He caught that ram with a rope around its neck and he took that sheep to his room. By now the boy was hungry because it was night again. So again the boy was hungry, so he patted the ram on its back. So the boy was very hungry because it was night again, so he patted the sheep. He patted the ram, a male sheep, at the back, and then the ram lowered its head and a piece of gold dropped from its mouth. So he took that gold. He tapped the ram at his back and he got a piece of gold. "Good old north wind," said the boy. He paid the innkeeper with a piece of gold from his stay and supper. So after seeing that gold piece, he felt very happy. The boy felt very happy and he paid the innkeeper this piece of gold. He gave to the innkeeper for his supper and again for the stay. He slept soundly that night with the ram for his pillow. So what happened? After eating, he ate and he slept soundly with he made that ram as his pillow and he slept soundly. When the boy awoke in the morning, his hat was upon the floor and the ram was gone. So what happened again? While he woke up in the morning, he did not find the ram there. Section 3. He blamed the north wind again. you have taken back your ram. So again the boy went to North Wind and he saying that, you North Wind, you have taken my ram again. The North Wind said nothing. He put a queer looking stick into a bag and gave it to the boy. What is the meaning of this? Unusual or strange looking. Unusual or strange looking. So what happened this time? Again he went to the North Wind and he is saying that, you took my ram. The North Wind said, no, I didn't took. Again this time he gave a stick. He gave a stick and a stick into a bag. Stick into a bag and gave it to the boy. He told him to go back and lock his door tightly at night. So this time he gave a stick into a bag and he told to the boy that, because he heard a shoutings like crying sounds, he heard that sound and he woke up. He opened his eyes to see the innkeeper running about in his room. What happened? The innkeeper was running in his room being chased and beaten by the stick. Because the innkeeper was chased and beaten by the stick and he is crying loudly. He woke up. The boy woke up suddenly and he is saying, help, help, the innkeeper cried. The boy quickly realized that the innkeeper had stolen his gift. So this innkeeper was crying for help. The boy then, he quickly realized it. He understood that all these things stolen by the innkeeper. Give back my ram, said the boy. So this boy, what he said? Give back my ram. Get it. It is hidden in the barn, said the innkeeper. So he said that it is there in the barn. Go and take it. What is the meaning of barn? Outdoor shed or building used to keep things or animals. Okay. Give me back my tablecloth, said the boy. So again he asked for his tablecloth. Take it. Take it. It is in kitchen. Screamed the innkeeper. So he said that tablecloth is in the kitchen. Go and take it. The boy went out and found his ram in the barn and the tablecloth in the kitchen. He came back to the room. So he found both his things, tablecloth and barn. And so he came back again to the room. Stop, stick. Stop now, he said. So after coming to the room, he said that, stop, stick. The stick stopped and jumped into the bag. The boy picked up the bag and the tablecloth. So the stick stopped beating the innkeeper and he jumped into the bag. So the boy picked the bag and the tablecloth and the ram. Then he, leading the ram by a rope, he went back home. His mother was very glad to see him and they lived happily ever after. So what happened after? He he got all his things given by the North Wind and he took all the 3 things and he went back home happily. His mother felt very happy to see him and they lived very happily. So by this we finished our lesson explanation part, children. You have to write your classwork. Now open your classwork books and start writing question and answers. Yesterday we finished our new words and meanings. Today you have to start your question and answers. Bye bye children. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day.